Today, I will answer the question, is brain transplant possible? Let's have a look at the details. In 15 years or so, brain repair will be established medical procedure, which will involve the transplantation of tissue into the brain. However, transplantations from one head to another are extremely unlikely ever to occur. Given what we know about things such as memory and personality, not to mention the immune system, it is almost definite that one person will never be able to have a transplant of another's mind. The operation sometimes worked, most notably in monkeys. But it has never been done in humans, mostly because head transplantation would mean cutting the spinal cord, which would cause complete and permanent paralysis. All transplant surgeries are difficult. But moving a brain or human head to a new body would be an even more complex process. That's because the brain is part of the nervous system. Doctors would need to connect the brain to a new spinal cord. This involves attachment to the spine's many nerve fibers. There are many other complications when it comes to brain transplants. For example, it's difficult to predict the immune response to such a surgery. The immune system of the body receiving the brain could attack the new organ. This is always a risk with other organ transplants as well. Still, some experts believe full head transplants that include the brain could be possible by 2030. At least one surgeon, Dr. Mathew, believes this could be done. He suggested moving the entire spinal column along with the brain. This would get rid of the need to attach the brain to the new spine. Ethical concerns also stand in the way of brain transplants becoming a reality. Some say they could save lives. The surgery could be an option for those with healthy brains but terminal illnesses elsewhere in the body. Others argue they go against nature. There is also concern over the effect on the mental health of those receiving the surgery. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.